First of all, I wish to say Happy New Year to all of my watchers and my subscribers, and a New Year to you all. Happy New Year. Right, so what have I got today? Well, in this new year, I got myself this beautiful old Conquest Colchester, UK lathe. Looks very similar, or it more than likely be exactly the same as a Chinese lathe what you would buy on eBay. It's got the same controls, power, forward and reverse, variable speed. Around the back it's got high and low gear and automatic travel for screw cutting. On the front it's got a 3-jaw independent. It's got a live centre, what came with it. But this one's got these. I've got to get some batteries. I've took the batteries out. The batteries are not rotten, so it's got digital displays out. Somebody in its lifetime, as far as I can make out, has replaced these parts here with digital layouts, which is brilliant. They've also replaced this part here with metal, all metal. So that's even better. There's no wobble at all in the head, and surprisingly, but there's absolutely no play when you rotate these angles. There's not one bit of play in it. So when you turn the angle, it's there. Absolutely beautiful. Old but good, they say. And also, yes, look at this. So I've just been playing with it. So it's got a quick change tall post, but it looks like an original one, an old-fashioned one. And there is, and here is one part of it. Not like the Chinese one I bought from eBay that you tighten up here and you hope for the best that it's gonna not wobble and bugger off. This one, yes, you want to do this one here. Let's just move this down this way a minute. Yes, you move that there and you can rotate this. But strangely enough, it will only let you rotate the one way. Anti-clockwise. Crazy. What I do like about it is its quick change post, obviously, but also when you tighten the latch up there, you've got an Allen key on the side here, so it latches up and you don't have to mess about. The one on eBay, what I bought before, alright, it was £30, the one I bought before, but it relied on this part here. You tighten this part up and then that tightened it all up, but it kept coming undone, so I got rid of that. Didn't like it on the last lathe. So this is bang on system there, where I do like that. Yeah, it's got a 22mm or a 20mm bore down the back, so yes, I'm happy with that because I've got exactly the lathe where I wanted. Old, but so what? Somebody was selling it on Facebook. I made an offer and I got it. But hey ho. Another part about this lathe is on the Chinese ones you've got this thing around the back here for tightening this part and sliding this forward and backwards. But this one rotates this way and you don't touch the back shield. Everything is working great, nice and smooth, free running, and I'm very happy. I got the live centre with it, like I said. I've got some tools. I've got a 4-jaw independent, and I got some spare angles. I don't know why, but hey ho, I'm glad. And I got a spare large one and I got a spare normal one. So I'm quite happy. But then I got this device, and that really made me happy. One of these. Any good ladies will know what these are for. So there you go. Got a little bargain, I think, for the price I paid for it. But yeah, that's for my new year. That's what I'll be using, and I will show you this cut. And it does cut rather well. There's no play in this headstock whatsoever. So I had a little yellow lathe, what was fantastic, but it never had my bore what I wanted down the back end of it. It never had a bore. Well, it had one. It had about a 5mm bore down the back. It was an ultimate yellow lathe I had. So this one's got the 20mm bore. I'm chuffed. I'm very happy for the new year. So that means now that because I've got my conquest, I can finish off my my project of rebuilding a Sharps Nova, because that's what I bought my lathe for, to modify, well, not to modify, to repair my guns. And I can run a barrel down through there, and if it needs rubbing down I can spin it and polish it and blue it up and do whatever I want. But yeah, I'm quite happy. So very happy. I've still got all my tools off from my last lathe, so I'm quite happy with that as well, because they all fit, because it's off the same type of lathe. But the other one was a Chinese one. It had lots of playing between the head here. When you was cutting, it was stuttering. It was doing all sorts of weird and wonderful things. But this one, I'm so happy I got myself a right decent good lathe. Anyway, that's me for now. Okay, so ready to start and test this out for a cut. Beautiful cut, the cut that is absolutely beautiful. I had a little yellow lathe that was a good cut, but this one is smack on. It's as good as my little yellow lathe I had, my ultimate. No play. Absolutely no play on that whatsoever. Absolutely beautiful cut. Well happy with that. Turn it in. Let's take a nice big piece off. Let's see what it cuts like there. No jittering, no jumping. No lines. Absolutely beautiful cut. Well, it's hard to see to get in this live, but you can see yourself there with what the cut's like, I think. Let's go for a nice big deep cut. There we go, the back. No wobbles. Absolutely beautiful. I'll take a picture of that so you can see the cut.